Think sticky notes are just a Windows thing? Nope. Your MacBook has Stickies, a powerful app to keep your life organized. You can jot down tasks, track ideas, attach pictures or PDFs, and even customize everything. And if you're coming from Windows, you'll see Mac can do it better. Open the Stickies app. Click File, then New Note, or press Command-N. Type anything, reminders, tasks, ideas. It saves automatically. Want to add a picture or PDF? Just drag it into your note. Use markup tools to crop, rotate, or draw on images or PDFs. And here's a heads up. Later in the video, I'll show you how to save your sticky notes so you can reopen them directly in Stickies instead of opening them in TextEdit or another editor. It's a super useful trick to keep your notes live on your desktop. For example, you could type morning routine, coffee, check emails, morning walk at 7 a.m., or client meeting notes. Call John at 10 a.m., discuss budget, follow up with email, or grocery list, milk, eggs, spinach, chicken, coffee beans, or vacation ideas, Bali, Tokyo, New Zealand. Check flights. Next, you can customize your notes. Change the color by clicking Color in the menu. Adjust fonts in Font, show fonts. Make text bold, italic, or bigger. Keep notes on top of other windows with Window, float on top. Make them semi-transparent with Window translucent. Love a format? Save it as a default with Window, use as default. For example, green notes for work tasks like finish report, send email to team. Blue notes for personal reminders like call mom, pay bills. Yellow notes for urgent items like doctor appointment at 3 p.m. You can also add lists. Press Option tab, type your first item, then press Return for the next. End a list with 2 returns. Increase list levels with Tab. Decrease with Shift tab. For example, a weekly grocery list could be fruits, apples, bananas, vegetables, spinach, carrots, snacks, nuts, dark chocolate. Organize notes by dragging them anywhere on your desktop. For multiple notes, go to Window, Arrange by, double-click the title bar to collapse or expand notes. Resize by dragging edges or maximize with the top right triangle. Top left could be morning routine. Top right work tasks. Bottom left shopping and errands. Bottom right ideas and projects. To search text, press Edit, Find. Type what you're looking for. Search the current note or all notes. Toggle Ignore case for exact matches. Press Return, then Previous or Next to move through matches. You can also find and replace text easily. Stickies save your notes automatically, so there's no manual save or save as option. If you want to keep a copy of a note outside Stickies, select the note and go to File, Export Text. This lets you export the note as plain text, RTF, or RTFD, which is useful for sharing or archiving the content. To bring text files into Stickies, use File, Import Text, and they'll open as new sticky notes. For a full backup and syncing across devices, go to File, Export All to Notes. This sends all your sticky notes into the Apple Notes app, where they can sync through iCloud on your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. You can also use File, Print if you want a physical copy or a PDF. Tip: Exporting all notes to Apple Notes is the safest way to back them up and access them anywhere. Important: when you go to File, Export Text, you can save a sticky note as .txt, .rtf, or .rtfd. But these files don't reopen in Stickies. They open in TextEdit or another app instead. This is only for backup or sharing content, not for keeping the note live on your desktop. The best way to keep notes always in Stickies is to leave them open in the app. When you quit and reopen Stickies, all your open notes come back automatically. Want reusable notes like templates? Create a sticky note and type your template content. Keep it open on your desktop. When you need a new note, copy from your template. Create a new note with Command N and paste the content. Formatting applies automatically if you've set it as Window, Use as default. Keep 1 or 2 template notes for daily tasks or recurring reminders. It saves a lot of time. To delete a note, click the box in the top left corner of a note, then click Delete Note. Delete old or completed notes to keep your desktop clean. Windows sticky notes are basic. Mac Stickies give you color, fonts, transparency, floating notes, and attachments. You can make your desktop productive and visually organized. If you're switching, your Mac can match or even beat your old workflow. So there you go. Stickies on Mac let you write, organize, and customize your notes. Keep tasks, reminders, and ideas right on your desktop. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment your favorite tip. Your MacBook productivity is about to level up.